big fan venue. I'm sure you love it. Please support the brand. Thank you very much.
Okay. So today is the launch of my new baby, CAFE23. Can you hear me, guys? Today is the launch of my new baby, CAFE23, and I'm super excited to have you all here for me. So the pandemic has affected all of us a lot, but we can only be grateful because we probably lost some people, but we're grateful to be alive. We should be thankful that we still have our lives, and it's affected us in so many ways: our health, going out, social life, our personal life, our at every aspect of our lives. And I would say that CAFE23 is a healthy cafe. I'm a dietitian, and it's always been my passion, it's always been my dream to own some place where you could live healthy. So I'll call it living healthy, basically. So it's always been my dream, and I'm so happy and I'm so grateful to God that this dream is a reality now. And talking about COVID as well, you have to live healthy, because if you have underlying health issues, it could also not be good with COVID. Because I know some people here might have had COVID but survived it, so that's because you guys have been living healthy, or you don't have any anything to kick whatever the COVID. Sorry guys. So yeah, you can always come in here. CAFE23 is a healthy place. We have smoothies, we have salads, we have sandwiches, we have fresh juices for you. You can always call us in to deliver to you. So it's mainly going to be deliveries. So you can always call us in to deliver to you. To sit in, you will have to book. Call us, make a reservation so you can sit in, because it's a cute space. I wouldn't call it small. It's a cute space. So yeah, you have to call in to sit in, and you can always come in to pick up. We're always here for you. And yeah, it's located at Sculpture Mall on Omaro Johnson, Lekki Phase 1. And I really look forward to your patronage and your reviews on everything we've got. So thank you so much, from the depth of my heart. This means a lot to me. I can see a lot of my old friends. I don't know what to say, but thank you so much. And I want to give a special thank you to my sister. She's my best friend. She's been there for me all the way. Also, I'd like to give a big shout out to my lawyer. She's my lawyer, she's my assistant, she's my manager, she's everything to me. Literally a big shout out to her as well, because she's really helped me a lot. And a big shout out to all my friends. Literally, you guys believed in me so much, and you didn't give up on me, and I didn't give up on myself either. And I'm sure Y'all are here and y'all are proud of me. So thank you so much, and I hope everyone has like, you guys should go back home safe and keep safe. There's COVID. Also, do not forget to patronize me, please. I'm looking for money. Help my business. Support my hustle. I beg. I'm trying. So thank you so much. Have fun, guys. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you.
Love you too.